Yes, AEA has been consistently launching struggle on protection of public sector life insurance corporation of India and the four public sector general insurance companies. When we want to protect the institutions, then the business also needs to be protected. But when the economy is already in doldrums, when people find it very difficult to meet their basic needs, insurance comes in the last only. But even in that, when they want to save something for their family, when a GST of 18% is imposed, then even that privilege is being snatched away from them. So we have been launching struggle for removal of this GST, and we hope the GST Council will take appropriate decisions so that no GST will be imposed on health insurance and insurance policies. Apart from this, now the threat is increase of foreign direct investment in the insurance companies to 100%. Opening up of the Indian insurance industry to foreign investment 100% means that will be taking away the profits from India to the foreign country. So we are going to launch struggle and campaign against this. Similarly, if they want to offload further shares of Life Insurance Corporation of India, opposing that also we will be launching struggle. And we have been demanding merger of the four public sector general insurance companies. And on that issue also we are going to intensify our campaign and agitations, and decisions on those lines will be taken in this working committee meeting that is being held in Chennai from today to